Have you lost a video you just watched on the YouTube? I understand that sometimes it becomes difficult to find out that recently watched video, and here is a quick tutorial on this. First of all, you need to check your account by clicking this avatar icon. Make sure that you are logged into the correct profile, because I know that people have more than one account. Make sure that the video you are trying to find out, you watch that video from the same account which is logged in. Next, then click the library button towards the bottom right side of your YouTube app, because whatever you watched is stored in your library. So click the library button towards the bottom right, and then inside your library you will find two things. On the top you will see the history, that the recently watched videos, and towards the bottom side you would see the watch later and the other playlist that you might have made. But this is what you were trying to find out, the watch history that is there on the top. And if you click the history button right on the top, you will see the full list, because in this horizontal scroll videos you will find few, I think 4 or 5 videos you would find there. If you want to find a video which you watched about few days back, or maybe if you watch too many videos in a day, you can find out here. And there it is, your complete watch history with the latest video right on the top. But what if you want to clean the history, or if you want to delete a specific video from your history? No problem, you need to just click on the 3 vertical dots on the video that you watched and you want to remove, and then from the pop-up menu you just need to press this remove from the watches, and that's it, that video will be removed. So let's end the video with this beautiful quote: find what you have lost, control what you keep. Your watch history is now yours to command.